Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
So we are going to open our Instagram account and then go to profile, click on it, and click these three bar lines on the upper right portion of the screen, and then go to settings, click on it, and proceed to privacy. After that one, as what you can see here, there is no option of send requests. So what are we going to do? Let's go to our browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome, and here just log into your Instagram account, this one, just click and it will redirect you to your Instagram profile. Just follow the steps that we did earlier. Just click the profile and then try to click this settings icon and then go to privacy and settings. After that one, it will redirect you to here and then go to request download data. So let's click on it and then input a valid email address. Okay, so make sure that your email address is valid. Okay, and then click next. After that one, you just input your password and then request download. And that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.